Okay, this is Steve, and today I want to show you how to use what's called a Chrome Remote Desktop. It's a free application that's embedded into the Google Chrome browser to enable for you to remotely access anybody's computer with their permission, to be able to go into the computer, to basically move your mouse and act like you're actually in their computer on their desktop and be able to help them with things that they need help with, such as fixing their computer, doing whatever you want to do on there. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go into any browser. If you don't have Chrome, you want to get a copy of Chrome. And to do that, you just go into Firefox or you go into Internet Explorer and you type in Bing for Internet Explorer. You'll type in Google Chrome. And what will happen is you'll get more than likely this one right here, this ad. So just go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, you're going to get a page that looks like this. And you're just going to want to download the actual Chrome browser if you don't have it. Okay. You'll just go ahead and download it by clicking right here. It will take a few minutes for it to install. And once it's installed on your computer, that, by the way, this is if you're running Windows. And I actually think it works for Mac as well. So this just says for Windows here, and then maybe down here there's other versions for Mac. Take a look, and if not, do a search for Chrome browser for Mac. But nonetheless, go ahead and install your Chrome browser. And once you have it installed, the next step is to go and you want to probably log in and create a Gmail account and have your own Gmail account. Most people today's world have Gmail already, but it's free. Just go to type in the keywords Gmail, email in here, and you can create a Gmail account. You want to log into your Gmail account that you created with the email address so that you see what you see over here, okay? Just makes it easier, plus it attaches it to it, and you'll have it forever. Not to say it won't work without it. I'm just suggesting that I always suggest having your Gmail account open when you're using Google products or Chrome products, things like that. So the next thing you want to do is once you click on Chrome Remote Desktop in here in the browser, you're going to find this link right here, and you're just going to want to click on this link. Okay. Once you click on this link, there's going to be a pop-up. Here's the pop-up that pops up, and you're going to want to click on Launch Application. When you launch the application, you'll go ahead and click on Launch, and then what will happen is it's going to install a application that you see right here, Remote Desktop Client. It's going to walk you through a process, and you're just going to click yes and just read through it, and then you'll enable it, and it's going to attach it to your actual Chrome browser. It's all safe. It's very, very secure, highly secure, and it's a great way for you to access any computer remotely once you teach other people how to do what I'm teaching you right now. So you can use the same video if you choose, send it to them, and then have them learn how to do it as well. So it has a couple features. One of the features is if you want to share access to a computer, you'll click here, and it will generate a code, and you want to give this code to the other person who's going to help you get your computer repaired or fixed. And then what they're going to do, they're going to take this code, close it out. And they're going to go on their side, which is where I'm at right now, right? And I'm going to click on the access button because I'm going to put the code in here to connect and access to your computer, the recipient who needs the help. Once that's done and we hit connect and the code is correct, I'm going to be able to go into their computer, and like I'm moving around with my mouse right now, I'll be able to see their computer, see their desktop, and be able to help them remotely do whatever needs to be done on their computer. It's as simple as that. It's fully secure, 100%. It's free, which is great, and it will work fantastic for you. So let's do one more thing. I'm going to get out of this, and I'm going to get out of this. And then the next thing I want to show you is over here in your Chrome browser. Once you have your Chrome browser turned on, there's a little 3-button section, little square here, always on the Chrome browser at the top. You're going to want to click on that, and you're going to want to go down to More Tools right here. And it's off the page over here on the side, you can't see it, but there's the thing that says extension or extensions. You're going to want to click on the word extensions, and it's going to open up all of your extensions that you have in your Chrome browser. Now, if you have Chrome for the first time, you won't have any extensions, but you can actually go to an extension library and get all kinds of different products and services and things that are free that you can put on Chrome to help you do all kinds of different things. So you may want to just type in Chrome extensions into the Chrome browser, and it will pull up all the Chrome extensions, and you can pick which ones you want. Okay. So, and that, by the way, has to do with what you see here in this Chrome store, extension store. Okay. So you can cruise through the Chrome extension store and pick things that you want to use that will attach itself to your Chrome browser. Very, very cool stuff. So let's go back to the extensions. I happen to have installed the Chrome remote desktop application. And what I want to show you today is a couple things. If you enable this feature right here, it's not enabled initially, but if you choose to put a check mark here, you'll be able to allow for access to send file URLs. So for example, if you have a Dropbox and you want to drop in a bunch of documents and things into a Dropbox, you can actually take that link from your Dropbox on your desktop, drop it in to the file URL section of that URL that you created for Dropbox, drop it in and send it to somebody else on the other side. So it's very helpful when you're trying to move files over to help somebody. Web apps or whatever it may be, virus protection software or whatever it may be. It just gives you a quick, easy access to take that link of that, of that page to download maybe some virus protection from a site or something like that and use the URL to do that. So the second thing I want to talk about is there's a little details button right here. You want to click on that details button. And if you look right here, it will tell you what this product has, the details of this product, should I say. And then if you click on the create shortcuts, it will actually create a shortcut on your desktop of your computer. So when you first initially set up this particular application, before you go and work with somebody, you want to go ahead and do what I just showed you. Click on the details button, create a shortcut, and then what happens when you create the shortcut is I'll minimize this. Oh, I got to get rid of this here. Then I'm going to minimize this browser for a second. You'll see that I have the Chrome remote desktop right here, little icon. So if I click on this, watch what happens. So it pulls up, right? So now I don't have to go look for this particular launched application. I have an icon on my desktop that I can click very quickly. I can put it in my on my desktop or on my toolbar in my in the far corner of your your computer, where your little tab, your Windows tab to show all of your icons and such applications. So you can do that, and then you have it, and then you can go ahead and share a computer. Once again, grab this number, and you can go ahead and give it to somebody to be able to let them go into your computer, and then the person over on the other side can go ahead and click on the access button, take that particular number and hit the word connect, and they'll be able to get into your computer, okay, and vice versa. So it's easy as that. That's how it works. Hopefully it's been a great experience for you, and take a look at my other computer or my other tips and things that I teach people from time to time. And if you need any web development, be sure to get a hold of me. You can do it through this link below it, and would love to help you build a website. If you're a real estate or a mortgage professional, I build websites for them, IDX, lead generation, and also for professionals to drive more business to them on an ongoing basis. So my name's Steve, and I'll look forward to helping you in the future with other videos. Have a great day.